Hello everyone, in this video we will try to make a pin icon with 3D effect. Let's get started. First, make a circle. Click the direct selection tool. Selection only the bottom. Press the down arrow key. Press Shift C and click. Bold strokes. I will change to outside. Go to Object, Appearance Objects. Turn off the color temporarily. Add a circle in the middle. Selection, Shape Builders, and click this area. Now add gradient. Set the angle to 90 degrees. Reverse to change the direction of the shadow. Selection. Turn off strokes. Lastly, add shadow. Make a circle. Right-click and arrange and send to back. Start setting the gradient color like this. Do grouping. Finish. Okay. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, so YouTube will recommend this video to other friends. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell to get the latest video updates from this channel. Thank you.